Hey everyone, this is Chinmay, and in this video I'm going to introduce my new Java course, which is Java backend developer course. So this course is completely beginner friendly, and I'm going to help you for the next 6 months to learn Java from zero to advanced level, where you can make a backend services and microservice backend project for your resume. So when you apply for a Java developer job after 6 months or a year, then you can showcase your skills which you will be learning in this course with me. So I will be starting from zero, and the classes will be from Monday to Thursday, daily 1 hour. So every week we'll be having 4 hours of live coding session where I will be teaching you using Zoom or Google Meet. And so this is not going to be recorded session, so like you can ask your doubts in live session. So I think this will be way more better than the recorded sessions. So, and if I like summarize all the topics we are going to learn in this course. So first we will be starting with basic or the fundamentals of programming language using Java. Then we'll be learning core Java, then advanced Java. Then we'll be making 2 projects using Java. First will be a REST API using Java, Spring Boot and PostgreSQL database, and the second project will be the biggest project of this complete course series, and that will be building complete microservice from start using Java, Spring Boot, Docker, Kubernetes, PostgreSQL database, and so many other backend technologies. So I can guarantee you, if you complete this course completely till 6 months, and if you work hard, then you will be able to get a job as a Java developer in Japan. So, and because right now I'm in Japan and I'm working for Japan's one of the biggest bank, and I'm helping them to make their banking as a service application interface for the other small to large size companies to provide a complete banking solution and service. So every single day I write code in Java and Kotlin. So as of now, I know, like previously I was working with Golang, but now I'm working with Java and Kotlin. So I can teach you both Java and Kotlin. So I have 2 courses basically, but in this video I'm just going to introduce the Java course. So that's all about my course. If you are interested in this course, then you can message me directly, or you can leave a comment below this video, and I will be contacting you. So most likely I'm going to start this course since next Monday, which is next week. So if you're interested, don't forget to send me a message or leave a comment. Yeah, thank you.